Yes. Really?
And a bit of bulk at the back. Is she banging into something or two while she runs? Is the blood vessels at the sclera, the white part, on the back. I told you that, didn't I?
No.
Open is, oh, you want me to open your mouth again. And of course, Stephanie is a special perfume, this and that. And the first thing we asked them, Okay, any other questions, my dear?
No.
Okay, then I'll see you and you probably just let me know.
Vika! She didn't go to the vet. Vika, let Billy eat. Vika! Oh, Vika! Billy! Oi! Oi, Billy! Vika, no! Vika, no! Max. Ah! Oh!
When you reach the point of no return, when you feel like you've had enough, there's an angel who sings and a voice that is leading you home. Let the rays of light shine down on you. Let the sun wash away your tears when you're lost and alone, and the whole world is turning. The time is right, no shortcut and no easy ride. Your eyes are open wide in the dark light. Diamonds sparkle, but I don't feel a thing. Demons in me are frightening, and the road up ahead has been paved with our future mistakes. The time is right, no shortcut and no easy ride. Your eyes behind